course will help you understand what it takes to land a new job in a tough economic climate. You'll learn the most effective tools, tactics, and strategies to help you get back on track.
Hi there, my name is Martin Yate, and I've been helping people with their job search and career management issues for quite some time. Good times, bad times, and through 5 recessions over the 30+ years I've been doing this. If you have decent professional skills and you're prepared to learn a few new ones, I can really help you get through this difficult time with the overall strategies, specific tactics, and a plan of attack that will get you back to work and your professional life back on track. And lesson 6, we're going to show you that after you land that new job, we're going to look at the steps you can take to start the new job on the right foot to establish a firm foundation for future growth and success.